Okay, I just want to share how I do late work so I don't have to constantly go back and look at its learning assignments. So I am going to create a Microsoft form, which is like a Google form, but Microsoft. So this is located in your 365. I'm going to go to Forms in my apps. I'm going to create a new form. I'm going to give it a title, Late Work, and then I'm just going to put practice so I know to go back and delete this one. I also tell my students create a new entry for each assignment. I don't want them to put several on one line, which they've done before. And then we're going to put in the questions. So last name, it is required here. And then we're going to do first name. I'm going to do text again. And it is already set to require now. You could do some branching off once you put in if they select the period. I'm not doing that right now. So here I'm going to put period, so such as first, second, and so forth. And then the next thing that I add is assignment title. And then we're going to add the assignment grade. Okay, and then we're done, and you can go to theme, and they have a few here. I have some pictures already saved, or you can Google something like math. We could see if we get a math image, so I can just use that and add it, and then I will add it to our background. The other thing I want to share with you while I'm here is if you do a testing agreement, then we can go to settings here. And one thing before I share that is if you want to get notification, which I like, and since Outlook is Microsoft as well, I'm going to get an email once somebody sends me this. But again, I usually set aside a date on the weekend to do this at once. But you can do that. And so that is that. And seems like there was something else here I wanted to share with you. Okay, so we set that, and then we are finished, and we can, the other thing is maybe anyone with a link can respond, just in case somebody's not signed in through ClassLink. And it does seem like, custom thank you. This is what I want to share. So here I'm going to put thank you. I will update the grade book soon. If I were doing a testing agreement and I wanted to provide the password for the It's Learning test, this is where I would put that. I'd put the password is, and that way once they submitted it, then the password would show up. So now we are finished, and we are going to share this, and you can either get the link here, you can copy it, or you can get the embed code, which is what I do. So I'm going to copy that, and then let's go to one of my courses, the overview page, and I link it right here in my sticky note. Now, when I link it with the embed code, remember you have to click more options and click source. So once we click source, we're going to see all kinds of stuff, but let me go back and click source because I do change the settings of my code. So I'm going to go down here, and right here we can see that's Microsoft Teams. You can kind of read and see there's my calculator, and then I'm going to have my late work form. That's my remind feed. So let's see if we can see in here. It should be saying late work. Yeah, late work form right there. So this is the code right here, and you can see I have the height is 240, and the width is 320. So 240 by 320, I change that. And then I get this nice little box, and then the folks can just click on it and it'll open, and then they can fill out their information. And then we go to one of my forms that's already has data. Then on the weekends, I can open it up and go to my responses and download the Excel sheet and then just update the gradebook like that. Hope this helps.